Page 6, good sounds. Well, this looks kind of ugly with all these notes, but really you're just playing two notes at the same time. You're still just playing one hand at a time though. So let's go through the system to learn a piece of music and see what we end up with. I look it over, I see it's 2 lines long. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature, and I see a bunch of quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes now. Okay. Remember, whole notes is the same as 4 quarter notes. So in 4/4 time, a whole note would give 4 counts, which is the whole measure. The left hand's playing the first line, and the right hand's playing the second. So start with the left hand. The 1 and 2 here, that puts the hand in this position. And it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. Just lowering the hand down for each one. You can't connect them, don't worry about it. And the second line is the right hand. You're here, 1 and 2. Here. You get the idea? So you go through and play them. Then go through and make sure your counting is correct. And then go through and get rid of any hesitations. And make sure you're not looking at the keyboard. Boy, I have a list of stuff. You get in the habit of this after a while. It's kind of the same routine all the time. We want to develop the habit of doing it this way. And once I have that, then I can think about the articulation, which they don't give us any, so just play it. If you'd like to put in the phrasing, follow the words. You see the half note there, here? You can live, like taking a, just pretend, or take a breath there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, you have to lift up anyway, it's the same notes, but this is a little more silence than that. Just a hair. It's felt. There's no exact length of time. You feel it. In the first line, each 2 measures is a phrase. Here, lift up, and then lift up to go to the second line. It's a new phrase. Looks like the whole line is a phrase. You could still split it in between and make it every 2 measures a phrase where you're just lifting up. It's felt. There's no markings in the music. Doesn't have to be. You can still feel it and do it. Then the dynamics, MF. And again, I got a problem. I wish they wouldn't do that, but they're misleading you. This isn't the way music works is the problem I have. An MF at the beginning, okay, that's mezzo forte. Whatever you think sort of loud is. And then in the second line, they give you another MF. You don't need it. You're already MF. So just play an MF. Music normally isn't going to give you another MF. They expect you to know you're an MF. They're doing it because it's the other staff. They're giving you one for each staff. And that's not the way music works most of the time. You get one dynamic, and that applies to the melody, and you adjust accordingly. Well, here it's all melody, so we don't have to worry about it. Speed, moderately fast. Well, it has to be accurate. So don't go too fast. That's my moderately fast. Yours might be a little faster than that or a little slower than that. I don't care. Just make sure that it's accurate. You're getting the notes down at the same time, more or less. So you go through and learn it. And then when you feel you're ready, come back to the video, to the Play With Me section. Let's play it together slowly and check that you're playing the same notes I'm playing at the same time. So we're checking notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 2, 3, 4.